If your Windows laptop or PC is lagging or running slowly, it can be annoying. This often happens because too much cache memory is being used. Here, we'll show you an easy way to clear the RAM cache and make your device faster. This method works for Windows 10, Windows 11, and other Windows versions too. To begin, you need to open the Task Manager. If you are unsure how to do this, simply search for Task Manager in the Start menu and click on the Task Manager option. If the Task Manager opens in a compact view, click on More Details to expand it. Next, navigate to the Performance tab and select Memory. Here, you will see the amount of cached RAM. Reducing the amount of cached memory can significantly improve your laptop's performance. To clear the RAM cache, you will need a tool called rammap. Follow these steps. Open any web browser and search for rammap download. Click on the official download link for rammap from the Microsoft website. Download the rammap file. After the file has downloaded, locate the downloaded zip file, right-click on it, and select Extract All. Then click Extract to unzip the contents. Open the extracted folder and find the rammap application. Right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. Accept the license agreement to launch the rammap application. Once rammap is running, perform the following steps. Go to the Empty menu. Select Empty Standby List to clear the RAM cache. You will notice a reduction in the amount of cache memory, which should result in a performance boost for your Windows laptop or PC. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button below and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, click subscribe and join us.